Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Vendor Dashboard. Log into your account. Once in the Vendor Dashboard, you can see the list of tabs on the left. If you have enabled after sales support, while setting up your store, you can reply to all the tickets from your dashboard. Click on the Support tab, and if there is a support ticket here, you can reply back and sort out any issues with the buyer from here. Next I will show you Refund and Return Management. Click on Return Request tab. You will be able to manage all return requests from this tab. Check out our video guide on how to process refunds and returns. Next I will show you the Withdrawal tab. Here you can request withdrawal, depending on the minimum withdrawal amount and minimum number of days before your request will be processed. You will have to set up payment settings before you can request withdrawal of funds. Check out our video guide on how to set up payments in Settings section. If you need to contact admin or Team OBBG, you can click on Contact Admin. This will open up the contact page to send a message to obbg.com. Your inquiry will be answered within 24 hours. You can check out reviews about your store in this section. You can see all your sales and other activity by clicking Reports tab. This gives an overview of how your store is performing. All your orders will show up in the Orders tab. You can see all your orders and their status here. If someone requests a refund or a return, that will be processed from here. Please check out the video guide on how to process refunds and returns.